so for this other one, I think what I'm going to do, let me get my bamboo stick, because it's a fucking magnet. Right here is what I'm going to be attaching this other brush to. The problem with that, let me see if I can zoom in. The problem with it, it's got this crimp style connector on it instead of being soldered, and it wasn't really giving me nothing down here. So I cut this right here a little tiny bit just so it would slip out. Kind of regretting it. I wish I didn't, because what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take this out, the solder connection here, and this whole thing is just gonna fly out like it was meant to be, I think. Yep, see there, cracked right out. There she goes. There she goes. So, in hindsight, if I did this again, oh shit balls, that's hot. That's exactly where I would start. I would have probably just taken this one out too, to be honest with you. I could have cleaned it up and did everything as good as you possibly can, but we're gonna just prove that this thing, I'm gonna just get this here off. Let's clean this guy out. Let's see if I can just clean this guy here up. There she is. Oh, let's not ruin my desk. Alright, so that looks nice, and it's basically just tinned now. So when we go back onto that connector, it's just going to sit right in there, it's been there forever. All right, now, damn, soldering iron, I need like a stand for it. See if we can't get this thing off. No. Can't really tell if it was soldered like that, or no. I think so. I think it's come off. There she goes. Wow, a pain in the butt. It'll keep coming from the side. Doesn't seem like it even wants to come off now. My telecom snips are probably getting ruined here. Huh. You know what? Oh, there we go. There we go. Damn, I just had to look at it. That was weird. It was tight, and I just looked at it. Yes, it was tinned on there or something. Oh god, look at it. I think it's crimped on there with some serious juice. Alright, so what we're going to do is... Oh, where's our damn brush at? Oh god. Here it is. Get this thing to go together. So we want it to go on this side. We want it to go right like that, and it'll fold. Yeah, and then it'll fold right back in to right there. Let's go ahead and we'll run a bead on that. Washer. Where's solder left here? so I cleaned this. Was it one strand in here? I cleaned this with rubbing alcohol. I learned that outside in the garage. It was pissing me off. Actually, I think what was really pissing me off was the heat out there. It's about 100 damn degrees. I think just doing this in the air conditioning is making all the difference. Damn it. Come on. Suck up on there. There we go. Well, guys, I'm not pro here. I'll do this every day, you know. There we go. That's all I wanted. Nice and tint. There she goes. Oh, wow, the brush is getting hot to the touch. Look at that. I can't even touch the damn brush. Okay. Step 2. Alright, let's take a peek here to see how this thing is supposed to sit. They're about like this. So, about like that. It will come off. Oh, God, that thing is hot. And really right like that. Let's see what we can do with a clip.